Hi folks, Ashley here from ashleybryan.com.au. Today I want to give you a quick link building tip. Now we all know that building links for SEO purposes and to make our websites rank is very difficult, and even SEO professionals and suppliers find it difficult finding opportunities to create quality links to your website or to your clients' websites. But there is an easy technique or a technique that we can use to get started quickly, and that uses the Google search results and your competitors' names to find where they may be ranking, and then you can assess whether those pages are somewhere where you can list your website or be mentioned with a link back to your website. And that way you can build links by replicating your competitors' links to a certain extent, which is a great way to start. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's a perfectly valid technique to find where competitors may be linked, may have links back to their websites, and you can do the same. So how do we do this? Obviously, we're going to search for the competitor's name. Now, I am an SEO professional. I'm not going to use a genuine competitor's name for this, so I'm going to invent a competitor name to make my website rank. Okay, so the first port of call is to do a search on Google for that. So make my website rank as a search term. So this is my competitor's name. Now, Google produces a set of results for that search term, but not all of them are finding the exact match of the name, of course. So this one, for instance, doesn't highlight the phrase or make bold the phrase make my website rank. It splits the phrase up. So it's producing results where I think the answer may lie or that may be suitable results. But in this case, it's not. I want to find results that have their exact name mentioned, because your competitors' names usually will be quite unique. So in order to do that, there's a simple trick. You put speech marks around the search term, which is their competitor's name. This will then produce a set of results where your competitors' names are exactly mentioned in this result, which is much better for these purposes because it'll give you an exact match to their name. Unless their name is very generic, of course, in which case you can add little things and some variations to that search term. So it's a simple matter now of assessing each of these pages to see if there is an opportunity for you to replicate that link. Well, for a start, to see if that links, but then to see if you can get a similar sort of link. So I simply open up these results in a new tab to the right. You would go in here, you'd assess the result page here and see if you can get a link on those pages as well. In this case, Reddit is a social bookmarking page or website, and it's quite easy to submit your content into this system and to get a link back to your own page. Check the next one out, Live Edit. So you assess whether you could have a similar set of or similar content to this, and then link back to your own website. Same with this one, quick links. And then Quora, that's another one where it's quite easy to get a mention in there and get a link back to your website. So you can do that. So that in a few seconds there, we found two quite good ones. And obviously there are many pages where your competitors would be linked. So you just check each one of those, then check another competitor, of course. So if you do 5 or 6 competitors and do 10 pages each, that's 60 pages of search results where your competitors are mentioned and where you may be able to get a similar mention and get a link back to your website. And that is a great way to start your link building. So hope you found that tip useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye.